Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, can you see this gorgeous meal? So today I'll be sharing with you how I made this beef cabbage sauce with curry rice. If you are new here, please subscribe. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Without wasting much of your time, let's go into the main video. So here are the ingredients I'll be using for this cabbage sauce. I have my beef, cabbage, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, ginger and garlic paste. Then here my seasoning cube, curry powder, thyme, paprika, coriander powder, salt, oyster sauce and dark soy sauce. Here are all the ingredients that I'm going to use for this beef cabbage sauce. So let's get into the process. I'll be marinating my meat with all that spice that I listed. That is black pepper. I forgot to mention it earlier. I'll marinate my meat with all the spices and cover it for some time. You can as well go ahead and use it like that if you don't have the time, but I'll be covering my before stir frying. So I'm done with that. I'll be making my corn flour and water mix that I'll be using to thicken the sauce. So that corn flour and water, I'll mix it together. I'll use that to thicken the sauce later. So guys, can you see how colorful it is? I'll be adding water to loosen the sauce a bit, not much water. And we are done with the sauce. Beef cabbage sauce. This is so delicious, so yummy. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying it out. If you have watched to this extent, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. You have been watching my videos without subscribing. What did I do to you? Okay, I'm sorry. Subscribe to my channel, please, and give me a huge thumbs up. See you all in my next one. Bye.